Hello, friends. I'm Professor Pavan Sudhir. I'm heading the Department of Education in Arts and Aesthetics in NCERT, India. This is a prime institute, rather, we say that is the topmost institute in school education and in teacher education. My role here is to promote arts and education. And that is how I came in contact with Mr. Suresh Kumar, who is a great artist in my eyes. I met him some 25 years back. And the day we met as teacher educator and teacher because he is working in our government schools as a postgraduate teacher where he is in contact with senior students, we call senior secondary students, where they opt for arts as a subject. So they need serious guidance and facilitation from artists so that they grow as artists, as a budding artist in the society. So that is how I know Suresh ji. He's a very quiet worker. Sometimes I compare him with his sculptures because his sculptures are very strong, heavy, and with full of emotions. His work many a times makes you stand for more than a minute. You get connected to his work. So that is his specialty. You don't find this kind of artist who can really work with stone and make your stone emotional. If you look at his personality, he himself is like that. He's a person who is very close to nature. He talks less and he conveys a lot. And the same happens with his sculptures. He works in mixed mediums. Sometimes he is working with metal. Another time I see him working with stone. And stone also very strong, sharp, black stone, which is considered to be the strongest one. I have seen his small sculptures where even in the smallest sizes, he has brought out the quality of a woman, her nature on one hand, and on other you will see images or figures of animals, such strong animals like horses. So on one hand, a very delicate subject of a woman, and along with that, juxtaposing horses, which is a strong creature. So you can understand the kind of combination he has. He works with semi-abstract or and a contemporary style, where on one hand we see the character, we see the figure, on other you see that is some emotion which is going on in the material. So every time I look at his work, I find that it really connects with you as an onlooker, and it makes the sculpture the complete shadow of our artist.